Hello, and welcome to Learning with Michael. I'm Michael, and in this podcast, we explore ways to improve and grow. Today, we'll talk about time management, how to use your time wisely and make sure you get the most out of each day. At the end, I'll share some useful English words and phrases to help you expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. Time management is about using your time in the best way possible. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some people seem to get so much more done than others. The key is planning and prioritizing. When you manage your time well, you can achieve your goals, reduce stress, and have more free time to enjoy life. The first step in managing your time is setting clear goals. Think about what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller tasks. For example, if you want to write a book, instead of saying, "I want to write a book," break it into steps like, write 500 words every day. This makes the task feel more manageable and helps you stay focused. Next, create a daily or weekly plan. Start by writing down the tasks you need to do and arrange them by importance. For instance, if you have work or study tasks that are due soon, prioritize them over activities like watching TV or checking social media. This will help you stay on track and avoid wasting time on less important things. One of the biggest challenges in time management is avoiding distractions. In today's world, it's easy to get distracted by our phones, social media, or even the internet. To avoid distractions, set specific times to check your phone or emails, and stick to those times. When you're working on a task, focus all your attention on it. You'll find that by eliminating distractions, you can get more done in less time. It's also important to take breaks. Many people think that working non-stop will make them more productive, but the truth is that taking breaks actually helps you focus better. If you work for an hour, take a short break to rest your mind. Try going for a walk, stretching, or having a healthy snack. This will help you stay energized and ready to continue working. Another key part of time management is learning how to say no. Sometimes people will ask you to do things that don't help you reach your goals or add value to your day. Saying no isn't always easy, but it's necessary to protect your time. When you say yes to everything, you may end up with too many tasks and not enough time to focus on what really matters. Now, let's review some useful words. Prioritize means deciding what is most important. Example: it's important to prioritize your tasks to meet deadlines. Distractions are things that take your attention away from the task. Example: turning off notifications helps reduce distractions. Break means a short rest or pause. Example: taking a break after 45 minutes of work can improve your focus. Try using these words in your daily conversations. Remember, time management is about making smart choices with your time. By setting goals, planning your day, avoiding distractions, taking breaks, and learning to say no, you can achieve more and feel less stressed. Thank you for listening to Learning with Michael. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who might find it helpful. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.